Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the HP OMEN 16L TG03 RTX 5060 gaming desktop, a machine that genuinely feels like a massive step up the moment you power it on. From the first use, everything feels faster, smoother, and more responsive, making it a serious upgrade for both gaming and everyday productivity. At the core of this system is the Intel Core i7-14700F, a high-performance processor that handles gaming, streaming, editing, and multitasking all at the same time without slowing down. Pair that with a huge 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and you get instant app launches, seamless switching between programs, and even heavy workloads like 4K editing feeling effortless. For gamers, the RTX 5060 delivers clean, stable frame rates with sharp visuals, whether you're playing competitive shooters or demanding AAA titles. Ray tracing adds extra realism, and everything feels noticeably smoother compared to older GPUs. The fast 1TB NVMe SSD also keeps boot times and game loading nearly instant. You also get modern features like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, plenty of USB ports, and multi-monitor support, making this tower ready for any setup. Overall, the HP OMEN 16L is a powerful, future-ready desktop that delivers speed, performance, and a premium experience in one solid package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.